Hi guys, today we are in the kitchen. It's been a while since we've been in the kitchen with all of the summer activities. I've been outside a lot, but today I'm really excited. I'm going to be making something that I have been dying to make, a non-toxic laundry detergent. Not only is it non-toxic, but it's really cheap. I'm following Steph at Hopewell Heights video to make this. It's going to make 5 gallons. She says you only need a half of a cup per load. For 5 gallons, that's going to be about 70 cents per gallon. I've been using this laundry detergent from Sam's Club. It's about 1.5 gallons and it's about $15. So obviously this is going to be about a fraction of the cost and it's going to be non-toxic. And then at the end, if I have time, I'm going to be making similar non-toxic dishwasher pods. What you're going to need for the laundry detergent is borax, Castile soap. This is the one that Steph used. It's the Kirk's 100% premium coconut oil soap, washing soda. You'll need something to scent it with. You don't have to scent it, but you can. I'm using lemon mint out of my garden, and then water. I'm gonna tell you how to make this really cheap. Baking soda and washing soda are 2 different things, but you can make your own washing soda out of baking soda. If you have a Sam's Club or a Costco membership, that's where I would recommend you try to get your baking soda. I got a 13.5 pound bag for $8.88, so we'll just say $9. That brings it to about 33 cents per cup. If you were to go just to the store and buy straight up washing soda, it's gonna be about $1 per cup, so over 50 cents more, rather than just taking the time to make your own washing soda. To make baking soda into washing soda, you'll just put it on a cookie sheet at about 1 inch thick at 400 degrees for an hour, and you'll want to mix it up about halfway, and then you have washing soda. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why baking it makes it into washing soda, but it does. So that's exactly what I did. The soap I got on Walmart.com. I got 4 bars for $5.97, which equals about $1.50 per bar. You're gonna use 1.5 of these. Borax, I also got at Walmart for $5.97, and that's about 92 cents per cup. So last night I went out to the garden and I got some lemon mint, and I put it into 4 cups of water. I put it on the stove and let it boil for a while, and then I turned off the heat and I let it steep overnight. If you don't have time to let it go overnight, just let it steep for a couple of hours and it'll be fine. Now that it is steeped for a while, I'm just going to strain the leaves away from the liquid. This is my first year having lemon mint and it smells so good. We're gonna put this back in the pot. And now I'm going to attempt to grate up 1.5 bars of the soap. I got rid of my big stand-up grater because I switched over to using my food processor, but my little guy is down for a nap, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna do it by hand. This is gonna take forever, but luckily for you, I can speed it up. Ow, that hurt my hands. But we've got it, 1.5 bars of that Castile's soap. And now we're just gonna put that in this water. The heat back on, and now we're just going to let this completely melt down. Okay, now while that's melting down, I'm gonna fill up my 5-gallon bucket halfway with hot water. Okay, and then to the bucket, we're gonna add 1 cup of borax. Goodness. And 1 cup of that washing soda. And we're gonna give it a mix. And then the last thing we're gonna add is that soap mint infused water. Then we're just gonna top it the rest of the way off with more hot water. Just gonna give it one last little stir. And I'm gonna put this aside to cool. Okay, so it's like an hour later. I bought this gallon jug on Amazon to put my detergent in. And then I have some laundry that I need to do, so we're gonna try this out. So I'm just gonna continue to use my old little cup from the detergent. She says you need about a half a cup, so I just am going to see where a half of a cup sits on this cup. 5, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I had to go run a couple of errands, but I'm back now, and I'm now going to be making the dishwasher pods. I'm going to be putting them into these ice cube trays. You may recognize these from my chicken broth recipe. I'll link that up above for you if you're interested in learning how to make your own chicken broth. I'm gonna check, as long as I have enough of this washing soda, I'm gonna make a double batch of this. Oh yeah. Okay, we have enough. So 2 cups of washing soda. For me, I'm doubling the recipe. So it's 1 cup of washing soda for me, 2 cups because I'm doubling it. Same with baking soda, 1 or obviously 2 if you want to double it.
I need more avocado.
1 cup of salt or 2 if you're doubling it. I saw this recipe on TikTok and I had to try it. I'm obviously going to be using up all the stuff that I have, but I would like to do this stuff every other time just to see what I think, and hopefully it works just as well. As much non-toxic as I can get, I would like. I'm just going to use the rest of that because there's barely any left in there. I'm just going to mix all of this together pretty well. 3/4 of a cup of lemon juice. If you're doubling it, 1.5 cups of lemon juice. And then we're gonna pour this in and it's gonna foam up. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. Now that this is all mixed together, I'm just going to press it into my little ice cube molds. Okay, so I got 51. These are 2 tablespoons each. And now we're just gonna set these off to dry for 24 hours. Okay, and then that first load of laundry that we put in is just coming out of the dryer. So I'm gonna go take a look at that and let you know what I think. Majority of my videos that I'm filming, there's a little person sitting right here. If you didn't know, my little guy is stuck to me like glue. So after looking at all of this and smelling everything, it looks pretty good. I do even have to say, even the whites on my socks seem whiter than they normally do. So I've been using the laundry detergent and dishwasher pods for a couple weeks now. I absolutely love them. The dishwasher pods I did make a little bit too big. They don't fit in the slot, so I have to break them up, but they work just the same. And then the laundry detergent works just as good, if not better, than the other stuff I was using. And my husband has a pretty muddy job, and it does great. Okay, so I just did the math for you on these dishwasher pods. Each batch costs $1.55 to make. That's around $25 per batch. It equals out to be 6 cents each. The ones I have been using are from Sam's Club. For this one, it's $14.98. There's 110, and these are about 14 cents each. So not only are these non-toxic, but they're extremely cheap to make. And then, like I said, with the laundry detergent, it's about 70 cents a gallon, which is just, like I said before, just a fraction of the cost for what I was buying. And again, this is non-toxic. So these alternatives I like a lot better for my family and myself, and then also for our budget. But that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I post videos every Friday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of things around here. I do DIYs, recipes, gardening, beekeeping. I have goats, I have chickens. I'm sure there's something I'm forgetting in there. But if any of that interests you, I would love for you to stick around. Don't forget, Jesus loves you, and until the next one, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.